It's early in the morning at Mile High Campground in Cherokee, North Carolina. I'm here with my friend Mr. Fish, and we are about to make breakfast burritos.
There it goes. Nope, just kidding.
Ooh, light those fingers up.
Ooh, who needs hair?
What's for breakfast?
Alright, so we're going to do some breakfast burritos. We've got some leftover sausage and some bacon, so we're going to dice that up. We're going to saute some onions, and I think I've got some bell pepper I'm going to saute with the leftover breakfast sausage from yesterday. We're going to put some cheese on that, some roasted green peppers, and we're going to wrap that up in a burrito and eat the hell out of it.
Cool. This is going to be
delicious. There we go. So let this heat up, and then we'll add some eggs, mix it around with some seasonings, and top it with the queso fresco, and we'll heat up our burrito, then wrap it, and we will be set.
Sounds like a good way to start the day.
I love starting the day after coffee, of course. Let me break it loose first. One thing I love about these breakfast burritos is it's a one-pan meal. You don't have to dirty up a lot of dishes. It's easy to do, relatively quick, and they're absolutely delicious. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 eggs in here. Just break that yolk up. There we go. There we go. A little bit of seasoning. Now we're going to go ahead and this cooks really quickly, so you just kind of mix it up until it starts to congeal some, and then we'll put it all off to one side. Put the cheese on top, and then we'll put the burrito in there to heat up. So this goes here. I'm going to put queso fresco right on top here. Let that start to melt in, and then we've got some green chilies. Sit right here. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of water on here. Just smear it around. That's going to add some moisture to it. When we put it in the pan, like you'll see in a second, it'll keep it nice and moist and keep it from drying out while we cook it. Heat it up. You only need about 15 or 20 seconds each side. Now we're done. So then we're going to go ahead and slide this right into here. Breakfast burrito.
All right, here we go. Mr. Fish's breakfast burrito.
Breakfast burrito.
That is so good.
It's alright. It's the green chilies that make it.
I can't say anything bad about it.
Oh, good. It's neat, keeps your hands neat.
I love breakfast burritos. It's like if I'm going to a fast food place or something, a lot of times breakfast burrito is what I'm going to go for. If I'm at a sit-down joint and they have a breakfast burrito, a lot of times I'll try that. This is as good as anything I've had.
Oh yeah.
That's amazing.
Glad you like it. It's easy, it's quick, it's leftovers. Stuff the onions.
I like kind of leftover.
Yeah, well yeah, we didn't use them, so there you go. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's breakfast.
So what do you think? You ready to go camping with us?
It was amazing. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also go over and check out Mr. Fish's channel and subscribe there as well. And be sure and ring that bell for notifications on when we release new videos. So now I'm going to go find some place to take a nap and enjoy my food coma. But you prepare for the world that you live in, not the one you wish existed. We'll see you next time.